everything we're showing you can be uploaded and done in a matter of a minute or two, so there's not a lot of maintenance going on here. One of our agents said to remind everyone, when we send an email out from the office, at the bottom of the email we use the Realty World Gold Green, and it says, please consider the environment before printing this email. It's another reminder to save money and not print out things. Is this yours? The company calendar, like Karla was saying, we post our calendar and it automatically is updated on this intranet.
Other things that we make available for the agents, it's also the floor time schedule. It's a PDF format for them. They can print it, they have access to it. And also at the top, you see the PDF where they can print it. And also it has a procedure, just in case we have an agent that hasn't sat floor time before, it tells them how to upload that or how to do that. But what we're focusing on is, like Joe just mentioned, is that we're trying to educate the agents as to not waste paper and save time and make everything available for them and have easy access. This is actually our most visited section of the intranet because it's got our checklist, everything that's been created by the company, all of our forms. So this is probably the place where the agents would go the most.
We also have what we call tools, and on this we require all of our agents when they do a listing presentation throughout the transaction to do a seller's net sheet. So we created a branded net sheet which they can download from our intranet and print one out for their clients. We have vendor lists where our agents have suggested different vendors, so we have a vendor list for them, how to contact other agents, and just a lot of tools are, how do we rank a ranking sales chart for the area, just anything we can think of that the agents might want. There's even a free PDF maker posted there, so because we want our agents to use PDFs instead of printing out paper. So we just load it up with the kind of tools that agents would want. And then this is my favorite. It doesn't bring business in. I kind of fashioned it after a Realty World thing, ads and deals. We call ours coupons, links, and deals. And what it is it's a site where agents have contributed sources on how they can save money on business supplies, entertainment, coupons, and things. We give credit, like the agent up here said, hey, I've been buying all my toner for my computer printers from 4inkjet.com. And we actually, as a company, started buying from that company too, because we're paying about half the price that we used to pay. Then another agent told us about a way to get a online coupon, and so if you go to there, you can get a coupon for 4 inkjets and save another 10%. So, it's just, it's kind of fun. Our agents are using this, and it just kind of, if we can save money in this economy, it's just a nice little thing for them. How-tos. When an agent joins our company, we have our phone systems they have to learn, or how to use the copy machines, or how to use our printers. And we give them a nice disk where they can get all that information. And we print out a lot of it. They lose it. They forget how to do things. So they can go on our internet, and post it will be how to work whatever our systems are. They're all PDFs. So they always have instant access to things. We're marketing in our ads, a lot of REO lists. That seems to get the most phone calls into our office. So we post on our intranet PDFs of REOs that agents can personalize with their own information and email it to their clients, because these are huge lists. On other pages, we have a whole list of BPO and REO asset managers, company logos. We put a lot of videos of our properties and other functions on YouTube, so there's YouTube links that they can go right from our site. Agents, every time we do press releases, we're going to post them on our intranet so that they have access to go to it to give to their clients. And our blog, our company blog, which is called Agents Want to Know. When an agent asks us for something that asks us a question that we think we should share with everyone, we post it on Agents Want to Know. Everything we're showing you is free. It's available to our agents 24 hours a day. And the FINO is the tool that we're using. It's the Drop.io. And what this really is just a free document storage system. These are popping up all over. I think Drop.io is maybe owned by Amazon. So I figure it's going to be around a while. Drop.io we use for files that are too big to email. It's a great backup system. We actually are Lone Wolf. We can send backups of our database on Lone Wolf right to a Drop.io so that we have an off-site data store backup. If I'm driving in my car and I have a great idea, I can call a drop number, leave a voice message, and then an email or post onto my drop a little MP3 file that I can listen to later. And a drop site will allow you to do free conference calls, free e-fax, and it can be password protected, allow and restrict agents and clients to add, download, and comment. There's a lot of functions that can be done with the drops, and our agents haven't even seen what we're about to do with it. With our TC department, our transaction coordination department, we can actually create specific, transaction-specific drops free, where all the documents of the transaction can be stored and accessed by clients and the other agents or whoever we need to. On here we're actually, we have an ad. We have, I think it's a 9-page ad in Homes Magazine. A lot of our agents have homes that they were contributing to that ad. Well, what we did is we set up drops for our company, for each of our agents, and the Homes Magazine can access these drops and pick up the information they need to publish the page on the ad. So here's an agent. You'll see photos of the homes that they're advertising. There's a PDF that shows the actual layout. When Homes Magazine is ready to give us our proof, they can drop the proof right onto the website. So it's kind of a neat little thing. Like I said, we can e-fax through our drops. I don't know, we found that e-fax was a very important tool for this virtual office that we were doing. And while we pay as a company for an e-fax system that we email to our clients, the agents also can use this drop system individually to fax documents to themselves or to their clients. This is kind of what the drop looks like, but we created a drop. If you're interested in any of these tools, like how do I sign up for Zoho Notebook or the Drop or the Google, I've actually posted created a drop that has links and information to everything that I just talked about. It's at this address. It's called drop.io/Joe Thomas All-Stars, and I password protected it with a password you should be able to remember called Realty World. If you can't